So here we are at Lemonade. So I heard this is a good spot. So let's check out the menu. All right. So this is how the outside look. You know. Again, this is Lemonade. It's more of a seasonal food restaurant. Now, parking gonna be something else. You're gonna have to find, it's limited parking. But this is more of a quick grab if you want to eat something healthy, some cold food. It's really good. It's really good. It's called Lemonade. Let me show y'all how it looks. Hold on, so I don't want to get hit by a car. Give me 1 second, y'all. This is Lemonade. It's located here in Hollywood. So this meal right here was $14.95. It came a pretty good portion. It's really good.